How you doing, class? Today I'm going to talk about GimKit. That's up here, GimKit.com. And GimKit is an app that's similar to Kahoots, but it has a lot more than Kahoots. Kahoots, where you can only play in class. GimKit, you can assign it as classwork or homework. So it's instead of a game, you create kit. You can create your own kit or download some. And I already have 3 kits here that I downloaded. I made one myself. Balancing chemical equations, one of it. This is to help me with stoichiometry. So one of the things I'm going to do is once you sign in, you can sign up. It's free with just your email. And once you're in, I have this. I already created the kit. I'm going to and I also download a class. I created a class for my 3 subjects. And then I'm going to do an assignment where when I hit the assignment, okay, it's going to ask me which one. I'm going to select balancing the equation, okay. And I already have it here where what class is going to be. It's going to be for 3B. And then what dates is it? I'm going to pick date that's this Thursday, right? So that's hit OK. And then it's going to give you the URL right there. I'm going to hit copy link. So I have the link to that game already. I can create a QR code from it, or I can do a bit.ly and then email that to my student. When they play the game, they're gonna when they play the game, let's see if I can do this. When they play the game, so I created a QR code already. Do I even have it in here? Okay, QR code creator. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, paste. Here's the QR code. Okay, there's a new QR code. And if I were to, okay, so here's the QR code. If I were to send that QR code, I hit download here. Okay, see if I can make it. If I can't get it done in time, okay, it should be free. Then I can send the QR code to the student. The student can open it up. It's going directly to there. Here's the QR code. And then they can start playing the game. And once they get the game designed to give them reward them with money, like $1, $2 for every correct answers, and they can use their strategies to up the game, so buy more bonus points, so they can get more than $1 or $2 for each time. And the more they play, the higher the points will be, or the dollars will be. And the more they play, the same question will repeat itself, so they get better and better knowing in the material. I find this is going to be great for teachings, especially vocabularies, simple equations, things that's going to be easy to remember, or things that's going to need to be repetition. Great, thank you.